As day continues to go by, buying your PropFirm account in Nigeria tends to be more difficult. Whether My Forex Fund, E8 Funding, Trader Central, FTMO, whichever one it is, becomes very difficult to make payments for them. And that is because of the strict restrictions that was placed by the Central Bank of Nigeria, limiting most Naira card from making international payments. The limitation is not just for PropFirm accounts but for any online transactions. And that's why in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the ways which you can use to buy or purchase your PropFirm account if you are here in Nigeria. Or one of the ways you can be able to do that is making use of what we call virtual dollar card. Now, a virtual dollar card is a dollar denominated non-physical card for making payments online and not for physical card transactions like withdrawal or cash. They tend to work where Naira denominated fiscal debit or credit card from Nigerian banks and financial institutions fail. And that is what I'm going to be presenting to you all. Now, there are a whole lot of virtual dollar cards online, but the problem with most of them all is big charge. They charge you a whole lot of money from depositing, from making payments with their card. Some of them even charge you as high as 5 to 10% just to use their platforms. But the platform I'm going to show you now charge you zero fee if you are making payment with their dollar card. All right, they charge you zero fee on deposit. They also charge you zero fee if you are making payments as at today. As I'm making this video on 23rd November 2022, and as at this time I'm making this video, services is free. They charge you nothing to use their card. And the platform I'm going to be the platform I'm talking about is Cheaper Cash. Now, for Cheaper Cash, for you to be able to use it, you are going to download their app. And this Cheaper Cash is not just for dollar payments, it's not just for international payments. You can also use it to receive payments globally from any part of the country. As at now, they support 7 countries. They support Ghana, they support Rwanda, they support Nigeria, Uganda, South Africa, United Kingdom, and USA. If your country are not within this area, maybe in the future they are going to add it, but for now these are the countries that they are supporting. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you'll be able to create these platforms, how you'll be able to use it and buy your PropFirm account and many of those things. But before I get into that entirely, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click in the link in the description, and join my forex trading Telegram community. When signing up for this, I'll be placing the link on the comment section, the description section. Ensure you use my referral link. All right, ensure you use. So the first thing you are going to do is to come over to the Play Store and type Cheaper Cash. That is it here. Then if you type Cheaper Cash, you tend to tap it, and then anytime I come across platforms like this, I tend to go ahead and read the reviews. Let's know what those that have been using these platforms, what they are talking about. Does it really worth it? What's their experience? Now, if you come over to the ratings and review, you tend to see that many people are talking good about this platform. They have over 4.2 thousand reviews, and look at what people are talking about. This one said accounts are really easy. You can basically see it. The reviews, the star are very high. If I click on read all, these are the things that you need to go across and read to know the experience of those that are using these platforms and what they are talking about. As you can see, they have a high good rating and reviews, and because of that we will be able to go ahead and do and download the app. So I've already installed it. That's why my own is showing open. But if you are here newly, definitely are going to see install here. So you are going to see install here. You just tap on it and then install the app. Once you have done installing it, you click on open and it's going to bring you to the platforms, then you do most of those things you already know how to do. So once you come over to the app, what is going to show you is very, very simple. You just have to follow it step by step. All right, so you just click on what open free account. If you tap on open free account, you put your phone number, your email, and follow all of those things that you already know how to do, which is putting your email, putting your phone number, confirm your email, confirm your password. Once you are done doing that, then it's going to sign you in. I already have an account, so what I'm going to do is just to log in to my own account. So after you're done doing that, it's going to bring you to this page. All right, and then what you are going to do is very, very simple. Just go ahead and do your KYC verification. Your KYC verification is just you putting your IV card, uploading your ID card, your BVN, and all of those things. Once your details are confirmed, then you will be able to make use of all those platforms, because if you are not confirmed, you won't be able to use their dollar card. All right, so for you to use their dollar card, what you have to do first is to fund your account. As you can see, I've used these platforms to receive some payments. Like I did tell you, you can use it to receive payments. All right, from different countries. These are some payments that I have received so far for my businesses that I'm running online, which you can see here. And as at this time, I have close to 30,000 naira on these platforms, and it is from this money on your wallet here. All right, that is what you will be used to be creating and funding your dollar card. All right, so once you are done that, for you to fund your wallet, what you have to do is to come here and tap on this place that we have wallet here. If you tap on it, then you are going to see your account details, which is what you will copy and then send in money there. I think the bank they are using is 9 Bank or something. So you just fund in money there and it will be reflected instantly. And one good thing is that you are going to receive a credit alert on your mobile phone, just as if it was your bank. All right, so once you have already funded your account, you are going to see it here. Then you are done for that. So what you have to do is now to come over here and click on this zone here, which we have card. If you tap on it, then you click on what claim USD card. You has not seen claim USD card because I already have a USD card, but you that is watching me now, you are going to have what claim Naira card and then claim USD card. So the one you will be interested in is USD card. We don't need Naira card because we have our Naira card to make payments. We don't need a Naira Virtual card, but for some reasons, if you need it, you can also go ahead and create it. And if you come over here, you tend to see some advantage of using this. They tell you they give you 5% cash back on all qualifying purchases that you make online. And guess what? The most important part is what? Zero fee. All right, and that's why we want to go for this, because I haven't seen any other platforms that is free to make use of your dollar card. All right, so once you tap on claim USD card, after some minutes they are going to tell you to wait for a period of time for them to verify and work on that. After some minutes, you are going to get a mail and a message on your phone number, and then the card will be created. For you to access the card, what you have to do is to come over here and then click on this place you are seeing USD card. All right, if I tap on it, you tend to see that my details are here, but I hid it. If I tap on this show card details, all the details that I need to make my payment online will be displayed there, but I'm not going to do that. All right, so far I've not been able to make a bigger purchase with this, but I've been able to test it with just one small payment, which you can see here. I paid something online for $0.92, $0.01, and it got well done, and there wasn't any issue with doing that. All right, so now what you have to do for you to fund this card, because you definitely need to fund this card so I will be able to use it, is to come over here, which you can see add fund. I'll just tap on what add fund, and you can also withdraw the fund from your card back to your wallet, and you can withdraw it to your local bank account. All right, so if I click on add funds, now it's going to bring me here and ask me how much do I want to fund. All right, so let's assume I want to fund 10,000 naira. if I'm funding 10,000 naira, they are giving me $12.47. That means their exchange rate is something little above 800, let's say 801 naira per dollar. That's high, all right, but it's still good because that's the current black market rate. So I wonder why they're answering cheaper cash when the platform is not cheap. But however, what matters is that it's giving us what we want. All right, so once you have done that, you then tap on what? Add fund. You don't tap on add fund, and you'll be required to put your password or your PIN, and then it will be funded. But for now, I don't want to fund anything. All right, if you do that and maybe you don't want to use it, you can also go ahead and withdraw now. And also you'll be able to see the amount of money you are having on your card. As you can see, my current balance is $0.18. So you'll be able to make payment for your PropFirm account and have easy access to most of the payments you want to make online. So I hope this video was able to help you to bypass most of the big restrictions that you are experiencing. If you have any question related to this, or if it worked for you, tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this platform in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your post notification, and I will see you on the next video. My name is Tochieke. Bye for now.